How to write an essay? Choose a topic. Select a topic that interests you and that you have enough knowledge about to write a comprehensive essay. Research your topic. Gather information about your topic from reliable sources such as books, academic journals, and credible websites. Take notes while you read to keep track of the information you find. Create an outline. An outline will help you organize your thoughts and ensure that your essay flows logically. The outline should include an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Write the introduction. The introduction should capture the reader's attention and provide a brief overview of what the essay will cover. Start with a hook, such as a statistic or anecdote, and end with a thesis statement that summarizes the main point of your essay. Write the body paragraphs. Each body paragraph should focus on a single point that supports your thesis statement. Start each paragraph with a topic sentence that introduces the point, and provide evidence to support your argument. Write the conclusion. The conclusion should summarize the main points of your essay and restate your thesis statement. End with a final thought that leaves a lasting impression on the reader. Edit and proofread. Once you've finished writing your essay, review it for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. Make sure your sentences are clear and concise, and that your ideas flow logically. Submit your essay. Once you're satisfied with your essay, submit it according to the guidelines provided by your teacher or professor. Remember, writing is a process, so don't be afraid to revise and edit your essay as many times as necessary to achieve the best possible result. Good luck! I can help you with research, writing, proofreading, and editing, and I can also provide you with tips on how to improve your writing skills. Feel free to ask me any questions via email at globalassignmentservice444@gmail.com or WhatsApp me at +923,346,063,324, and I'll be happy to assist you.